So here I'm making my dad do the cinnamon challenge. Go ahead, Dad.
Yay.
How long can you hold?
Do I get to eat it?
Yeah, eat it. Try to chew it up and swallow it. How are you doing this? Dad.
It burns!
You can get it on the sink. Only water helps it. You can't actually... Dad took dancing, you're a whore. Ow. Dad, stop.
Cinnamon-ness.
You can do it.
That.
You wimp.
You suffer the same pain I suffer.
I could have done it.
No, you couldn't have. Don't lie.